What is up, you guys? Pete DiCarlo here, and today we're going to be doing an update on Sofi. This is currently a stock that I have an options position in and that we've been covering on this channel for the past couple of weeks. It has significantly pulled back since that breakout that we had late last week, and I want to go over number one, if this thing is still a buy, number two, what my price targets are, and number three, where do I think a stop loss should be set in this position. Guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, because these videos are time sensitive and I don't want you guys to miss any of the information that we give out. And on top of that, go check out our Discord. It's completely free. The link is in the description. You guys get access to tons of free courses, live streams, seminars, webinars, as well as even some free trades every once in a while. And best of all, you get access to the best unusual options bot out there. This is a $200 a month bot that we pay for, so you guys can have completely for free. You guys get access to the same unusual flow, same dark pool flow, heat maps. Everything I've been using to trade for the past 8 years is completely free over there, guys. Our goal in 2022 is to become the best free trading community out there, and I know that we will do that, guys. Thank you for all of the support, and let's take a look at Sofi. Now, start by zooming out. Let's take a look at this 5-year chart, and you can see pretty apparently, since IPO, we have been trading between the same two ranges, $24 as a major resistance, $14 as a major support, and every single time that we hit that resistance, we reject. Every single time we hit that support, we bounce. And you can see that actually within those ranges, the highest amount of volume, which means the highest amount of buying and selling, mainly buying, occurs between these prices of $16 and $14, which is a very good sign if you're a bull. It means that this is where we know big money steps in and buys it up. You can also see this red line here representing the point of control, which means that that is the highest amount of volume within that given time frame, which is a very good sign, tends to act as a good support, tends to act as a buying zone for Sofi. And you can see that it also lines up with all the support that we have here at $14.22. Now, all that being said, coupled with the crazy amount of buying that big money has been doing in the past couple of weeks on Sofi, that is a breeding pool for a perfect trade setup, which is what I am currently in right now. And the position that I currently have on Sofi, let me see if I can go to Robinhood, because I do have it on Robinhood. I currently have two portfolios. One is a Robinhood portfolio and the other one is a TD Ameritrade portfolio. But you can see right here, my total return is right now, as of this point, a loss of 30%, or $402, and I have about $1,000 left in this, and these options are these $15 calls expiring in April 14th. Now, my plan is not to buy anymore. I've already bought what I want to buy. I'm not one of those people, and you guys shouldn't be either, where you just average down, average down, average down until hopefully it works out. Your goal should be pinpoint your entries, pinpoint your buy-ins, buy it, see what happens. Don't act irrationally or anything. Set your stop losses and then trade from there. That's the best way to trade. That's the way that I'm trading. I'm not adding any more Sofi. But if I hadn't already started a position, this is the best place to go, because we have so much potential upside, right? Let's just take a look at, we'll draw a long position out right here, but say you were to enter here, we have a massive, let's just say even our price target at $17.44. If you were to set a stop loss down here at $13.36, you have an RVR of 2, which means your potential reward is 18%, your potential loss is 9%. But for me, since this is a longer trade, I'm expecting Sofi to get back up to $24 probably within the next 3 to 6 months. And if that were to happen, our RVR, even if we moved it down just slightly at $13, which would be an absolute break of pattern, is a 6-to-1 return, which means a potential 62% return for a potential 10% loss. And in my opinion, that is absolute perfection. I will take that trade each and every single day. So I think the best way to trade this really is probably shares. I did go in with calls, but probably shares is your best way to play this if you want to be safe, or you could go with some calls at the money or near the money. I have those $15 calls expiring out in April. I think that those are great if you want to get a little bit more risky with some calls. And ultimately, I really like the way that Sofi is setting up. When you have a situation with great risk versus reward, 6-to-1 risk versus reward ratio, You have a really good point of control down here, which is where mass amounts of buying are. We have bounced at this major support multiple times, and big money's buying the living shit out of this. To me, that is absolute perfection. That is everything that I look for when I want to take a trade. So even if this trade didn't go the way that I want it to, or the way that I believe it will, I'm still not going to be mad at myself, right? One of the things I tell my students all the time is don't get mad at yourself for taking a perfect trade setup and then it doesn't go your way. What you should be mad at yourself is when you don't take a perfect setup, you take a subpar setup because you're feeling, anxious or greedy and you just want to get into a position. And then from there, you don't close the position when you should, and you end up taking a massive loss. Never, ever, ever get mad at yourself for taking a good position that doesn't work out. Get mad at yourself for taking bad positions that don't work out, or just taking bad positions in general. We should never take a bad position. But overall, I really like SoFi. I think it looks good. If you want, you could also do a put credit spread so you can go down, or actually even a call debit spread too would not be bad. But even a put put credit spread is not bad if you want to sell maybe like a January 28th, and you could sell like a 14 and then buy the 13.50. I think that's a great one too. There's a lot of great ways to play this, but ultimately, guys, I really love this position. I hope this video helps. Hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, become part of our Discord. It's completely free, and you can also upgrade to get access to all my trades for $20 per month. We've had a really good month. Last month we were up 11 grand, took 64 trades, only missed on 4 of them, guys. The goal is to be consistent and to be profitable, but above anything is to be consistent, because consistency leads to long-term profitability. I hope this video helps, guys. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you later. Peace.